morning student, grade 5, subject maths. Our next topic is common factor and common multiple. Common factor and common multiple. My practice 2, first question, find the first 3 common multiples of the following. Find the first 3 common multiples of the following. Question number A, 12 and 15. First we write solution. First we write multiples of 12. We write 12 table. 1 12s are 12. 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48, 5 12s are 60, 6 12s are 72, 7 12s are 84, 8 12s are 96, 9 12s are 108, and 10 12s are 120. Next, we write multiples of 15. Multiples of 15. 1 15s are 15, 2 15s are 30, and 3 15s are 45, and 4 15s are 60, 5 15s are 75, 6 15s are 90, 7 15s are 105, 8 15s are 130, 1 15s are 15, 2 15s are 30, and 3 15s are 45, 4 15s are 60, 5 15s are 75, 6 15s are 90, and 7 15s are 105, 8 15s are 120, 9 15s are 135, 10 15s are 150. First 3 common multiples of the following. First 3 common multiples. So first 3 common numbers 15, 12, 30 and 36. Comparing multiples of 12 and multiples of 15, same number. Here 15, 48, 60. 60 is a first common multiple number. 60 is a first common multiples number. So common multiples of first 3 common multiples of 12 and 15 is equal to first multiples of number. First number is 60. First common numbers. 60 here also 60. So first common multiple. And next one 120. So 120 here also 120. So second number is 120. Next, right? Next third number. So extend 11 12s are 132. 12 12s are 144, 13 12s are 156, 14 12s are 168, 15 12s are 180. Here also extend 11 to 15. So 11 15s are 165, 12 15s are 180, 13 15s are 195, 14 15s are 210, 15 15s are 125. So comparing 180 here also 180. So first 3 common multiples. First number is 60, and the second number is 120, and the third number is 180. So first we write multiples of 12. multiples of 12, 1 12s are 12 and the 12th table up to 15, the 15th table up to 15. First common number here is 60, here also 60, so 60 is the first common multiples, and 120 here also 120 is the second common multiples, and the third common multiple is 180, here also 180. So 60, 120 and 180 is the first three common multiples of 12 and 15. 12 and 15. Second question number B. 5 and 10. 5 and 10. So first we find multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So up to 10. Multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 is equal to 1 tens are 10, 2 tens are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. First three common multiples of 5 and 10. 5 and 10. First three common multiples are 5 and 10. So here 10, here also 10, and first multiples are here also 10. So first common multiple 10. First common multiple 10. And the second common multiple here 20, here also 20. So second common multiple is 20. The third common multiple is comparing 30, here 30. Common multiple is 30. And first three common multiples 10, 20, 20, 30, 30. First three common multiples 10, 20 and 30. Next one 4 and 6. 4 and 6 common multiples of 4 and 6. Common multiples of 4 and 6. Fourth table, 1 4s are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. The common multiple of 6, the sixth table, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. First three common multiples. So we cite first three common multiples. 6, here no 6, and 12. 12, first three common multiple here 12, here also 12. So we write 12. And second one 24. Here is a 24, here also 24. So second one is 24. This 24, also 24. Second common multiple is 24. And third common multiples 30, 30 and 36. 36. Here also 36. So and third common multiple is 36. 12, 24 and 36. Question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. Find the common factor of the following. Find the common factors of the following. First question A. 25 and 35. 25 and 35. First, factors of 25. Factors of 25 and factors of 30. Common factors. First, 25, 125s are 25. In 25th table, 25th table or month table, 125s are 25. Next, 25 comes 5, 5th table, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. So 25 comes first table, 25 comes next one, 5th table, and the third one and 5th table, and 25 comes 25th table. So 125s are 25, 5 5s are 25 and 25 ones are 25. So first table and 5th table and 25th table. So factors of 25 comes first table, 5th table and 25th table. 35, factors of 35, 135s are 35. 35 comes first table and 35 comes second table, not here, not in 35, second table. 35 is not in second table. Third table, fourth table, not in fourth table. Right, fifth table, 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. In fifth table, next seventh table, 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. In seventh table, next one, next one, 8th table, 9th table, 10, 11, 12, 15th table. Only 15th table, 2 15s are 30, so not in 15th table. Next one, 35th table, 35 into 1 is equal to 35. So 35 comes 4 table, first table, 5th table, 7th table and 35th table. So first table, 5th table, 7th table, 35th table. So factors are 25 comes 3 tables, first table, 5th table and 25th table. And the factors of 35 comes first table, 5th table, 7th table and 35th table. So is called a factors of 25. It's called a factors of 25. The common factors of 25 and 35. Common factors of 25 and 35 is equal to the common numbers. Common number is 5. Common number is 5. So 1 and 5. Common number is 1 and common factors of 25 and 35 is equal to 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 is a common factor of 25 and 35. And next sum 18 and 21. 18 and next sum 18 and 21. Question number B, 18 and 21. Factors of 18 is equal to, and factors of 21 equal to. Factors of 18 one table 18, 1 18s are 18. Second table 2 19s 9 are 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 2 9s are 18. Third table 3 6 are 18. Third table 3 6 are 18. And fourth table 18 is not in the fourth table. And the fifth table, sixth table 6 3s are 18. Seventh table, eighth table not in 18. Ninth table 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Next one 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So now up to 10th table, 11th table, 12th table, 13th table, 14th table, 15th table, 16th table, 17th table. So not in 18. So we select 18th table. 18 into 1 is equal to 18. So 18 in 6 tables. First table, second table, third table, sixth table, ninth table, and 18th table. So factors of 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So 18 in tables, first table, second table, third table, sixth table, ninth table, 18th table. So factors of 21. Factors of 21. So 21 in first table, 121s are 21. 21 second table, third table 3 7s are 21. Fourth table, fifth table, sixth table, seventh table 7 3s are 21. And ninth table, eighth table, ninth table, 10th table, 11th table, and 12, 13. So therefore find 21th table, 1s are 21. Therefore first table, third table, seventh table, 21th table. So factors of 21 in 4 tables. First table, third table, seventh table, 21th table. So common multiples of common factors of 18 and 21 is equal to 18 and 21 is equal to common factors. Common 3 1 1. So 1 and 3. Common factors of 18 and 21 is equal to 1 and 3. Next one, common multiples of 11 and 12. Common multiples of 11 and 12. Common multiples of factors of 11 is equal to. Factors of 11 is equal to 11 comes first table. 1 11s are 11. 1 11s are 11. On 11 comes 11th table. 11 1s are 11. Therefore, common factors of 11 is equal to first table and 11th table. Factors of 12 is equal to 12 comes first table, 1 12s are 12, and second table 2 6 are 12, third table 3 4s are 12, fourth table 4 3s are 12, In fifth table, sixth table, 6 twos are 12. And next one, 12th table, 12 ones are 12. So 12 comes first table, second table, third table, fourth table, sixth table, and 12th table. So first table, second table, third table, fourth table, sixth table, and 12th table. So common factors of 18 and 12. Common factors of 18 and 12. Comparing the factors. So one is a common. One is a common. Therefore, our answer is 1. Common factors of 18 and 21 is equal to 1. And the next question, third question. Draw the factor tree of the following. Draw the factor tree of the following. Draw the factors tree of the following. Question number A, 48. Question number A, 40J. In tree method, first we write 48. 48 comes second table. 48 comes second table. Second table how many times? 24 times. 24 times. 24 times. Next one, 24 comes second table. How many times? 12 times. So 12 comes second table. How many times? 6 times. So 6 comes second table. How many times? And 2 3s are 6. It's a three factor method. Three factor method. 48 second table. 2 24s are 42 into 2 into 3. These are three method. Third question. Draw the factor tree of the following. Draw the factor tree of the following. Prime factorization method. Two type of prime factorization method. One method is tree method, and the second method is long division method. Second method is long division method. Prime factorization. You have two types. One type tree method and the second type is long division method. First we do in tree method 48 prime factorization, 48 in second table. 2 is a prime number, so 48 in second table. 2 24s are 48. So 24 is not a prime number. So next one do 24 split in second table. Second table 2 into 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. Comparing 2 and 12, 2 is a prime number. So next do split 12. So 12 in second table. 12 in second table how many times? 6 times. So 2 is a prime number. Next we do 6. 6 split in second table. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, 48 prime factorization method. 48 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 4 times 2 comes. So 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Write only prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 3. 2 is a prime number, 3 also prime number. So 2 comes 4 times, 3 comes 1 times. So we multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is a tree method. Prime factorization method, we have two types. First type is tree method and second type is long division method. First 48 in tree method. Tree method 48 split in second table. Second table 2 24s are 48. Next 2 is a prime number. So we split 24. 24 in second table. 2 12s are 24. So 2 is a prime number. Split 12. 12 is in second table. 2 6 are 12. 2 is a prime number. We leave the prime number 2. We split 6. 6 comes second table. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So 2 is a prime number. 3 also prime number. So 3 is completed. So our answer is 4 times 2 and 1 times 3. Next sum 72. Next sum 72. 72 in 3 method. 72. Question number B, 72. 72 in second table. 36. 2 36 are 72. 2 36 are 72. So 2 is a prime number and 36 are splitting 36. 36 is a composite number. So splitting 36. 36 in second table. 36 in second table. How many times? 2 18s are 36. 2 18s are 36. So 2 is a prime number and 18 is splitting 18 in second table. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Next 2 and 9. 2 is a prime number. So splitting 9. 9 is a composite number. So splitting 9. 9 is not in second table. So next table 3. 3 3s are 9. So 3 is a prime number. So 3 is completed. 2 2 2 3 and 3. So we write 72 is equal to how many times 2 comes? 1 2 3. So 2 into 2 and 3 comes 2 times. 3 into 3. So we get only prime numbers 2, 2, 2, 3. So 2 and 3 is a prime number. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next one 196. 196 in 3 method. 196. Question number C, 196. Right? 196 in second table. 196 in second table. So 196, 96 is an even number. So comes in second table. So second table 196 dividing 196 divided by 2. 18 comes 9 times. Balance 1. It is 98. So 2 into 98. 2 into 98 is equal to 196. 2 is a prime number. 98 is a composite number. So split 98 in second table. Because this is 98 is an even number. Even number is coming second table. So 2 into 98. 98 divided by 2. So 19 4 times. Balance 1. So 49. 249s are 98. 249s are 98. So 2 is a prime number. 49 is a composite number. So we speak 49. 49 not in second table, third table, and fourth table, fifth table, sixth table. So in seventh table, 7 sevens are 49. In seventh table, 7 sevens are 49. So 7 is a prime number. 7 is also prime number. So 3 is completed. So we write 196 equal to prime number 2 2 7 7. So 7 7 is a prime number. So write 2 into 7 into 7. Fourth question, prime factorization the following using long division method. The prime factorization, we have two types. One is tree method, the second one is long division method. we do second type long division method in phones. 46, sorry 56, 56 prime factorization method by long division, prime factorization by long division method. 56 is an even number. First we divide in second table 5 total figures 5 in second table. Before 2 one times, next to 2 times, so 5 comes second table 2 times and balance 1 bring small 1 balance 1, so we read it 16 comes second table 8 times, 16 comes second table 8 times. So next 28 is a even number, so comes second table. So first number is 2 is 1 times, in second table 2 is 1 times. Next 8 in second table 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, so 8 in second table 4 times. Next 14 is also even number, so comes second table 14 comes second table 7 times, 2 17s are 14, so 14 comes second table 7 times. So next seventh table 7 is 1 times, so 56 first number, even number is come second table. First we selecting 5 is holding 2, so first 1 time, second time and the remaining 1, so 5 in second table 2 times, remaining 1, so remaining 1 read it 16, remaining 1 read it 16 in second table 8 times. Next 28 is an even number, so also come second table, so 2 in second table 1 times, 8, next number is 8 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 8 comes 4 times, so 14 is an even number, so even numbers comes second table, so again do second table, 14 comes second table 7 times, so 7 is odd number, 7 is a prime number, so 7 comes only 7th table, so 7th table 7 is 1 times, therefore the final answer is 56 equal to 2 into 7. Next sum 84, question number B. 84, question number B. 84 is a even number. 84 is a even number. Even number comes second table 8 comes 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. In second table 8 comes 4 times. Next 4 comes second table 1 times and 2 times. So 2 times. Next 42 is a even number. So again in second table 4, first number 4 did 2 1 times and 2 times. 4 comes second table 2 times and 2 comes in second table 1 times. Next one 21 is odd number, so second table not come second table, so we use third table 3 7s are 21, third table 3 7s are 21, so how many times in third table 21? 7 times, 3 7s are 21. Next seventh table, 7 is a prime number, so first 7th table 7 comes 1 times, so final answer is 84 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7, 2 into 3 into 7. And next sum 360, next sum 360, question number C. 360 360. 360 is an even number. Even number comes second table. First 3. 3 comes second table 1 times and the remaining balance 1. The remaining balance 1. Read 16. 16. Yes, 16. 16 comes in second table. 16 comes second table. 2 8s are 16. So 2 8s are 16. So how many times? 16. 8 times and the remaining 0. 180. Therefore our answer is 180. 180 is a even number. Even number comes second table. First 18. 18 comes 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. So in second table 18 comes 9 times. 18 comes 9 times and balance 90. Next 90 is a even number. Also comes second table 90. 90 is a even number. What will first side? 9. 9. So in second table 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. 9 comes 4 times and the remaining balance 1. So we did it 10. We did 10. 10 comes in second table. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So therefore 10 comes in second table. 2 5s are 10. So how many times it comes? 5 times. Next 45 is a odd number. So not comes second table. So next table, third table. Third table 45. Third table 45. 4. Selected 4. First number 4. 4 in third table. We fold it 3 fingers. So 3 fingers. We fold it 3 fingers 1 time and the remaining balance 1. Remaining balance 1. We read 15. 15. 15 comes third table. 15 comes third table. How many times? 3 5s are 50. 3 5s are so 10 third table. 15 comes 5 times. So next 15 is odd number. 15 is odd number. Not comes second table. Next table third. Third table 3 5s are 50. So 15 comes 5 times. So 5 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. Prime number not comes other tables, only comes fifth table. So fifth table 5 1 times. In fifth table 5 is 1 times. So therefore our answer is 360 is equal to 360 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Next part, homework part. Homework part. Exercise practice time, my practice time 2. First one E F. The second one C E. Third one D E. Fourth one D. Totally 7 sums. Thank you, students.